as it is without disturbing the props. So after that 3 days, vertical formwork can be removed within 12 hours. So second setting of the pour, the time taken for reinforcement and this erection of the formwork takes 7 days. Somewhere it is 8 days also, somewhere it has come down to 5 days also. The only thing this formwork ensures that you can strike off your slab formwork within 36 hours.
Let us give chance to others, we will always come to you. Okay. Or any other question? Yeah, on this gentleman, very first question.
Generally, we have this stripping time of 14 to 21 days for the slabs. How it is possible to keep this 7-day cycle?
Sir, I told you in this particular there are 3 conditions when we strip the slab. One thing, we take out the slab forms and no support is left. That is 14 days. One, you take out the forms and you backprop them. There still you need 7 to 10 days. But in this particular formwork system, props are not disturbed. Only the form is being de-shuttered. Without disturbing the prop, you are taking out the forms. So in this case, you can refer any IS code and if you require, you can meet my colleague there the stall. You can give the design that we can strike out in 36 hours. Because props are not being disturbed. This is the condition here. And second set of prop comes along with the formwork. When you are completing the next slab, the second set is being used. When you strike that slab form, that set of prop remains there. Then you open up this prop, first prop, and
Okay,
we have seen the presentation of tunnel formwork and also the monolithic formworks. To me, it looks like more or less similar, except material. Can you make a comparison?
pardon?
Can you make a comparison? Which one is cheaper or which one is faster or which one is beneficial?
Comparison-wise, tunnel form has got its own advantages. Aluminium formwork has got its own advantages. Aluminium formwork system, it is a lightweight. You do not require any cranes or anything to lift the formwork. It can be lifted manually because the weight of the formwork of the panels is less than 20 kg per square meter. While in tunnel formwork, you have to lift all the way around. In aluminium formwork system, it is basically specified for shear wall construction, but it can be used for column beam as well, where tunnel formwork cannot be used. Am I right, sir? And aluminium formwork can be designed as per the structure, not the structure being designed as per the aluminium formwork system. But in tunnel formwork, there are some restrictions. And the 1-day cycle, what in tunnel formwork, in that case, I think the grade of concrete has to be seen that you can strike on the formwork in 1 day or so. But in case of aluminium formwork system, props are being left behind, so any grade of concrete can be used.
How is the cost compared?
I think he said 400 euros. 400 euros in it is somewhere around euro is 100 rupees or so. Euro कितना है? Yeah, 35. So it is almost 35,000 per square meters. Whereas aluminium formwork system, Indian aluminium, it is landed 10,000 rupees per square meter. Yeah, and he has calculated on the way of repetition in 1,000 repetitions, but our aluminium formwork system also gives around 250 to 300 repetitions. But till date in India, none of the projects has achieved that repetition because the timing of the projects, we have to design and plan the project. Maximum repetitions can be achieved in a project is around 75 to 100 repetitions. But in the long run, tunnel formwork of course is a very good technology. It saves a lot on your manual labor. It's more or less as project to project it differs. I think in some of the projects which are designed for tunnel formwork is mostly suitable for this.
Okay. So now since you remarked about this formwork system, so I will spare that I can understand.
I only compared
Thank you for the nice publicity about tunnel formwork. Seriously, I agree. There is pros and cons in both technologies. What we can say, the weak point of tunnel forms, if it's a weak point, is that you need a crane. If you have no crane, you cannot use tunnel form. But it's true for many formworks. The strong points being that you have, again, better finishes because less joints, and in the long run, steel is very sturdy. And the other very important point is, it's true, it's more expensive per square meter, but actually, we do daily cycle. We do not need 7 days. So you actually need 7 times less material to achieve the same the same square meter of concrete to be poured. So actually, cost-wise, if it's well applied, and again there is some restrictions that we look at this and we work with the engineers to optimize this, it is really the most cost-effective solution.
Okay. So last question.
Sir, I have a question about the two hits. We have talked about 50 cycles if they use for the aluminium panel. And aluminium is affected, corroded by the concrete. How to get rid of that?
This is, I don't think I want to not say that 50 cycles. For that particular case study, we have achieved 52 repetitions there. Aluminum can be used, the formwork can be used for 50 to 300 repetitions. Yeah, and this is not a normal aluminium. This is a structural grade aluminium with a structural grade of 6061 T6. It is not being corroded, and before being used, it is being treated at our factory by lacquer and sizzling process, and proper oiling has to be done. Corrosion is not a problem; it will not be corroded.
Any more questions?
One question.
First paper. No, because I'm going to release it.
How the MEP conduits are placed in the concrete walls? Are there any special pipes or other things? Because all the walls will be concrete walls.
Conduiting.
Yeah,
Normal pipes. Normal pipes.
So everything is going to be encased in the concrete, then the concrete.
Yeah,
will be
it is normal pipes.
or
It's embedded in the concrete.
Okay, then I think time to thank.